Jeez, I'm gonna pray for you.
No,
you know.
you mad man.
Me just ask you say if you pray, that's how me ask you, Bridget. I'll taxi you run. Me ask you what happened. Why you walk away from me, daddy?
Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I am a church man. Praise him. Today I'm act like a Jehovah Witness. Well, I don't do it already still, I just do the intro, so to be honest, really for the whole day. I only get to record for like 40 minutes, so I hope you appreciate the effort in that video because it's pure rain. Daddy! Yeah, morning, man. Yes, I come to you now to talk to you about the good glory of the Lord. Glory, mommy. God be the glory. Good day. Can I have a minute of your time?
You're fasting.
I'm fasting. You're going right now. Walk with Jesus. Walk good.
Yeah.
All the time. You sick stuck, daddy? Talk to Jesus about that if you zip stuck, man. Talk to Jesus about that, man. If you zip stuck, him can fix it.
No, sir.
He can fix it.
Jesus is not foolishness, man.
What do you mean by Jesus? So you're calling me Bible foolishness?
No,
The church?
Garbage, man.
What do you mean by?
Garbage, daddy.
Mommy, can I walk with you? What do you mean by can't stop? You're too busy for God, mommy.
I know we're too busy, but I'm
Suppose I want to read a word of prayer with you, mommy. Alright, you know what? Go on. Go on. You go to church, daddy.
You ask me.
Me ask you, you go to church.
Yeah.
So me not to pray for you then. Me not to wish well for you then.
Wish?
Me can't wish well for you.
No, me know that the part already.
Yeah.
Me know that part already.
Come on, all we go heavy, you know.
No, wait.
I want all we live and be happy, you know.
No, we don't name every master.
No, we don't name everyone. For 2 minutes. Can I walk with you, mommy? I want to talk to you. This is very serious. Alright. Good afternoon. Can I get 2 minutes? Can I get 2 minutes? 1 minute. Yes. I come to talk to you about the Lord. You know about God though. You go to church. You're already aware of God, right? You're serving the Lord right now. Daddy, good afternoon. Can I get 2 minutes of your time? You're busy? I heard you. 2 minutes. Alright, good afternoon. You know about Jesus Christ, right? You know you have him as the Lord and Savior. You're in a church?
I'm in a church, but I read my Bible and believe in God.
You read your Bible?
I believe in God.
You believe in God. Daddy, good afternoon. Can I have 2 minutes of your time? 2 minutes? You're giving me a minute. Jeez, I'm gonna pray for you.
No,
You know.
you mad man. So me and Father.
Yeah.
In a malice.
No.
Why are you saying something?
I'm gonna pray for him and say you can guide you to the light.
Oh, come on. You're young, you don't. You're young, you don't know what I'm going, man. Oh, me 7 days.
Yeah, 7 days. Which day 7 days go to church? I have to test you, you know.
I live a God.
So you know what's the Lord have a plan for you?
Yeah.
You're married?
Me married and
Divorced? You know the Lord have a plan for you married back?
Really?
Trust me, you know. You have to trust him, you know. And you have to pray, you know. And you have to read this, you know. You have your Bible, though.
Me travel with everything.
You're strapped?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you believe in?
No, we don't need it.
What you believe in?
People come on earth.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, talk to me.
If you have children.
Yeah, if me have children.
And if you keep telling your children about
Yes.
KFC.
Yes.
One day you have to go show them KFC, you know.
Yeah, very true. Good. You're my general. Afternoon. Can I get a minute of your time, my general? Afternoon. Can I get a minute of your time? Minute of your time, you ask her. Now have to ask if you know God, because you must know that somebody create you. You go to church, daddy? Sometimes. I walk past you, so.
I still not brother. See, you know, walk past one will pass my sister.
Yep, then that's the thing I say. You must say, oh, me a pass and me never tell you. You never see me? So what, hold on. So you know wonder how me I tell people about Jesus, so you know. Talk up, me not hear, man.
Me not look for you. Then me not feel something, so I'm about to look at you about Jesus.
You alright? Can I talk to you for 2 minutes?
Yes, I'm waiting on somebody.
Or you're waiting so we can have a little time?
Can go and talk till the person
No problem, no problem. So, mommy, I have to tell you who God is, right? Or the Creator is, right? Because I don't want to say something like go against your will or you believe in. You believe in the Creator, right? Alright. So we believe, say, God have a plan for you, right? Good afternoon, mommy.
Good afternoon.
How are you this evening? Can I have a minute of your time? Good afternoon, mommy. Can I have a minute of your time? I'm walking you to do, you know, you don't have to stop.
So if you are going to tell the people about heaven,
Yes.
one day
I'm going to show them heaven. Okay, okay.
So if you are telling people about heaven and they ask you where is heaven now, where are you going to tell them?
I feel bamboozled.
I really don't know, you know, but I hope it to see
So
it.
that means then.
He said it don't make no sense.
No.
So what you believe in then, daddy?
Huh?
What you believe in then? You know, you just believe say you come and you go. What you believe?
Come on, you go.
Yeah. What you believe?
Life is eternal, you know.
Yes. Can I tell you that the Lord loves you?
Yes, I know.
You know that, Lord?
Born again Christian.
You're born again Christian.
Yes.
You accept him as your personal
Yes,
savior.
I do.
Okay, how long you been in church, mommy?
Going on about from 97.
Whoa, that's a long time.
Long time.
Yes, mommy. Keep walking in the faith and the
Yes, I
righteous.
always do.
You should.
Yes.
What's your name, by the way?
I'm sorry.
Claudette?
Yeah.
All right, Claudette, take care, okay?
Yes, and you two have a good day.
I will, yes, you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, my general. Afternoon. Can't get 2 minutes. All right, so you know about the Lord, right? You have him as a personal Lord and Savior?
Love that person, you know.
Yeah, what happened?
I love that person.
You love the Lord. So you make a step to go into the church, eh?
You know me go to church.
I will not say go church, my general.
Good one, you know.
No, man, you need to go church more often, man. You go church. You accept the Lord as your personal Savior. You're a Christian? You're a Christian? How long you in church? How long? You're Christian? You're not Christian? From your born?
From in a church.
Alright. From when you give the Lord your life?
When I was 7.
Oh, so you're still a Christian now? How is that? How is it walking the faith?
Well, you know, we fall now and then.
Yeah, do little things, man.
Yeah, boy.
Get a minute of your time.
This is Syrian.
The rain now come, man. See rain stop now.
Somebody wait for me there.
Who are wait for your daddy?
Somebody may I go to. Well, you question me, somebody may I go to somebody there.
Alright, daddy, bless you. You believe say you must accept him one day and serve him one day?
If you accept him, because he might give you life and strength, so you have to give him praises, so what you do.
You believe,
If you
yeah.
not give him praises, everything now go your way.
True.
You have to give him praises if you be a strong person,
True, very true.
a better person.
So you believe say one day you're going to give your heart to him and all of that?
Believe early and soon, I like a amount of things in our life.
You know what are things like what that?
Whole heap of things. Not just one or two, it's good,
No.
can't done.
True, true. Half a minute. Yeah, man, you can't give me half a minute, daddy. Can't talk to me. Oh, what you think about? The Lord can't help you, you know. The Lord can't help you, daddy. Me, I tell you. And where you headed?
Down there.
We don't have to ask you if you know God, right? You go church?
No.
Why not? Why you not go church?
Long story.
You tell me story, man. Cut it short. Summarize. Why you not go church?
Well, they have a lot of different reasons.
Reasons. Give me one of your reasons, man.
They have a lot of faith people, though.
Yeah.
Many churches.
Yeah.
Can't choose.
Yeah.
You do much.
Alright, then me I go do it, man. But you acknowledge that there is a man who created, though. So you pray on him thing there. Because you know him have a plan for you, though, daddy. The man want to rich and have things in life and alright, you know. The man don't want to sick on them thing there. The man just want to go through life decent, you know. Yes, so nothing wrong if me come breezy with you.
For people today, you have to call it fast doctrine and the doctrine.
What you call it, fast doctrine?
Only for people in the family.
What make you say fast? We are reason, man. We are too big, man.
I go through no only for reason not drink that species.
So you pray though, mommy?
Sometimes.
Sometime, how often? Once a week?
I be out 2 times a month.
You're too busy for the Lord.
No.
I'll walk with you. Can I walk with you? God have a plan for all of we, you know. God want all of we to be rich and nice, have money and live forever, you know. You know? So you pray?
Me?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Hey, mommy, I want to tell you about the Lord right now. You're a Christian?
Yes, I am.
How much years?
I got baptized in 1995.
Wow, that's a long time, mommy. Congrats. You're walking that faith. It's a rough road.
Very much.
But you stay hooked.
Yes, I am.
Alright, mommy, congrats and thanks. You motivate me to go even further.
Okay.
So life cannot die. This no mean
This no mean this thing here.
This no mean
Yeah.
But life is eternal. You never hear a man say life die.
True.
Hey.
So we're gonna live.
Oh, you mean this is a chance to come like you buy a vehicle?
Oh, so we're going to our next life.
You take out of it, you get another body.
Yeah, you believe in our next life.
Yes, but I don't believe. I say go.
But me still have to pray for you, do it.
Yeah, man.
No pray for you.
So when man I tell about heaven and Jesus and all of it, that's garbage, man.
Only for
Can you know some about plan for your life too?
yeah, because all for things happen to me and if I name him dog, I don't know me other day.
John, what's that serious thing?
Anytime I read my Bible and anytime I stop pray and I read my Bible, I be about things happen to me.
Jesus.
If you know one line I do things,
Yes, sir.
serve with God. Then mommy tell her that.
So me like
So
say.
I'm not going to see how they thing and believe say what they are us. If you even us dog and nothing for me if you even. But me like when a person tap me and ask me them question.
True man, come on, want to know say they're on the right part, you know. Your hell no nice, you know. What we want to go heaven and nice,
right
you know.
now I see me through
Is
road.
it are nice?
I see me through road me them most of my time, you know. And upon grave stop me sit down and bun read and matter
And meditate.
and me I look into things and me I say all of them are man who dead because they me I ask them if they never dig up a grave yet.
Yeah.
The man them recognize snitch yard say. Wrong body go to wrong grave and then dig up the grave and when they look I just see chest stick alone and the man close.
And the man close.
Me I say to myself when me sit down and I meditate say. They soul African somewhere.
Some African somewhere. You see me? I'm glad you made it still, but I just want you to take your time and do your thing and not wait till too late. Here, Browning?
Everybody.
Oh, me now do little things. I walk a road straighter than you then. But even though you fall, you must rise back here. What's your name? Hey, Chevelle. Nice to meet you, my church sister. Have a nice day. Alright. It's just that you just want we serve him in return, you see it? Now just that, you know. So if I know I'm not going to tell you, say, go in a church, because I'm not going to pressure you to do that. But me I tell you, say, if I have 1 and 2 days, you take up your Bible, you read a 1 Psalms, because you must hear about Psalms. And you just go somewhere and bust a little prayer. Father, thanks. Oh yeah, how much now? 50. Alright. My mother have 50 yard. Give thanks to say, boy, you bring me this circle. I know for my friend them did from 20 yard. Right? Which is right, man. So when name daddy? Yeah, daddy do. Alright. So keep that in mind, man. Whisper a word of prayer, you know? Bless up, man. Yeah, man, the school, man. The Lord can help you. Come on, daddy, seek him, you know? Yeah. Alright. What wrong with that? Alright, then do the road here. You can't go through with it. No, but just ask yourself if you pray, no, that's all. Yeah, because you good to pray. And then mommy and I have to pray more and give thanks, man. Then you know, give thanks say you live this long, man. Coach of my friend them dead from 16-year-old. When you pray, I'm to your friend them. All of your friend them live till now.
What?
All of them. No, I want to hear friend them. I want some of them magic them with me.
Yeah, no friend with it.
You're not no friend with it, none at all.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So then suppose me feel like the only goodness me can do it on my heart towards this prayer for you. Money?
No more you want.
Money? $1 million?
No more than. How far to be like that?
Me not have much from my wagon. I have to go circle here.
1 million.
Go circle, bro.
1 million can do.
1 million, you say 5 million then.
No, 40. Go 40.
No, daddy. Yeah.
40 million.
No, me no stay so right now. When you come back, I'm going to make you get it. So daddy, that means say you talk about say when me help you with the goodies, I talk about you feel well set.
No man.
You feel well set, because you say 40 million, you know.
40 million.
Yeah.
If you don't have 40 million, you don't make no sense.
Yeah, alright daddy. Alright, there you go. Alright, what you know? Here what you gonna do? You gotta go over to the guy there with the camera and tell himself to give you 50 like. How often you pray?
Not as often.
Once a month?
We can't predict that. Once a month.
How often you come give me an estimate, man?
Like, we can't tell you.
You can't tell me.
How many good on us do?
Me just ask you say if you pray, that's how me ask you, Bridges.
Yes, man, let me pray, man.
You pray, and you ask him to help you and keep your life.
That's a little being part of the life.
that me you want to know, man. So what's your name? Nuna? Okay. If you pray more, man, prayer good for you, man. Prayer good for you. If you pray more, man, and ask the Lord to protect you and guide you. Yeah, man, so you pray, mommy?
Of course.
Because prayer changes things, you know. Yeah, man, prayer changes things. You go to church, too?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, so you talk to the Lord. Because all we need to do is reason with the Lord.
Janica, look for you. Go on your place. Call the phone now with pass me going.
Good afternoon. Can I talk to you for a moment? They're on the phone? They're on the phone to me? Alright.